Hi everybody, I'm going to make a quick tutorial for you on how to help students not have to put in passwords or remember them and instead have the iPad autofill and remember these passwords. So for instance, most of you have a link that James sent out to you for Canvas, much similar to the one right here that I have. For that, it's basically just taking them to Safari, to the internet, and they have to put in a login and password each time. For some of our little buddies, that's hard to remember. So here's a way that you can help them one time put it in and remember it and then not have to do it again. So what you do is you go to Settings, you go to Safari here on the left side. Once you click on Safari, you click on Passwords. In passwords, it wants you to add the password that it wants to remember. So for instance, the website that link goes to is Instructure, yada, yada, yada. So I copied and pasted that URL to go to the Canvas login. Then my little user's name, username is maybe just 12345. I know yours are a little bit different. And then their password might be, again, it's their birth date, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you put that in, the website, the login, and the password you want them to remember when they land at that website. In this case, it would be the Canvas login. You then hit done, and then you only have one more step. You have to click on Safari again, and then you want to click on autofill. Basically, autofill names and passwords for you, it'll probably be switched off. What you'll want to do is switch for that student's iPad. You'll want to switch that on, and it's going to ask you one question. Do you want them to put in a passcode every time? I personally would not, because that means you'd have to set a passcode, and we're right back to having to remember a login and password. So in this case, use without passcode is what I would click. And now, anytime my little friend clicks on their Canvas app or whatever app that you put in a login and password for, when they click on that, it will automatically fill in their login and password, and all they have to do is hit login to go. I hope this helps, guys. Thanks.